Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate and open sound, and then go to phone ringtone. So let's come along with all the ringtones that KRUGER MATZ offers. And just select the one that you like the most, click on OK, and that is all. You've just changed phone ringtone in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.